It's me, Arun M. John. Hearty welcomes to my channel Mitsua Edu Media, the world of bioscience. With reference to the detailed study of genetics, a teacher can't circumlocute the vital basic facts about it. So he or she will have to reveal or explain the vital facts about it to be more distinguishable and more considerable way. Sometimes you might have heard about some terms being used, such as homologous chromosomes, haploids, diploids, somatic cells, reproductive cells, etc. etc. So today we are going to study about ploidy in genetics. As you know all well, our body cells, the basic structural and functional unit of our life, has a single nucleus that controls and coordinates all the biological activities in our body. The nervous center of our heredity, that means the chromosomes, are present within the nucleus of our cell. So, the number of set of chromosomes present within the nucleus of the cell is known as ploidy. For example, human beings. We have 46 chromosomes in our body cells. Each cell, a single set of 23 chromosomes from our father and another single set of chromosomes, 23 chromosomes from our mother. So, the ploidy number of human being is 2. So let's study ploidy in detail. Human gametic cells or sex cells or the reproductive cells or the spermatozoa or the ovum contain a single set of 23 chromosomes. So the organisms having single set of chromosomes in their gametic cells are known as haploids. Whereas organisms having 2 sets of chromosomes in their body cells, that means somatic cells, are known as diploid organisms. And one set is, as I said earlier, one set of 23 chromosomes is coming from the male parent, that means the father, and one set of 23 chromosomes is coming from the female parent, that means from the mother. So they are known as diploid organisms. So in short, human beings are diploid organisms but haploid in gametic cells. The 23 chromosomes present in a single set of male parent is complementary to the 23 chromosomes present in a single set of female parent. These complementary chromosomes are known as homologous chromosomes. That means one allele is inherited from the male parent and another allele is inherited from the female parent. As we have studied earlier, alleles are the alternate forms of genes. That a pair of allele is known as gene. We have studied earlier. But these kinds of chromosomes, complementary chromosomes, are known as homologous chromosomes. But allele from both the parents may have difference in their DNA sequences. This is the important reason why offsprings or young ones or children born to the same parents shows different characters. How does the segregation of chromosomes happens? We are diploid organisms. We have 46 chromosomes in our body cells and 23 chromosomes in our sperm and ovum, and what are the mechanisms behind all these things. Let's check. During the process of gametogenesis, the primordial germ cells undergo the process of reduction division, that means the meiosis, to produce haploid sex cells. And these haploid sex cells directly develop into sperm and ovum. Gametogenesis means is a union, that means it has two phases, that means spermatogenesis and oogenesis. Spermatogenesis is the process of formation of sperm, and oogenesis is the process of formation of ovum. And as far as a girl's kid is concerned, the oogenesis starts right from the 4th week of embryonic development, whereas in boys the spermatogenesis starts at an age in between 10 to 15 years. So during the process of gametogenesis, this primordial germ cells under the process of reduction division to produce a haploid sex cells, that means sperms and ova. So these sperms and ova will be having 23 pair of chromosomes, 23 chromosomes. And during the process of fertilization, after the fertilization, a zygote is formed. And we have already studied zygote is formed by the union of sperm and ovum. We have just studied sperms have 23 chromosomes, a set of 23 chromosomes, and ovum have a set of 23 chromosomes. So zygote, what is zygote? Zygote is the first life form, and we know. And the zygote will be a diploid one. It will be having 46 chromosomes. That means a zygote will be the aggregation of two set of 23 chromosomes. How can ploidy be defined and how can ploidy be classified? Let's see one by one. A cell can be called haploid if its nucleus has a single set of chromosomes. If an organism can be called haploid if a somatic cell has a single set of chromosomes. And an organism may be termed diploid if its somatic cell has two sets of chromosomes. So if the somatic cells of an organism has more than two sets of chromosomes, they are known as polyploid organisms. And polyploidy is very common in plants, and it is common in amphibians, reptiles and insects. And in human beings also, polyploidy is visible, especially in bone marrow and in placenta. Another terms to be used or mentioned along with ploidy are euploidy and aneuploidy. A cell with any number of complete set of chromosomes are called euploid cell. What would you say if you are asked to answer whether human beings are diploid or not? Definitely your answer must be euploid, because human beings are diploid organisms. We have two complete set of chromosomes, whereas a state where one or more individual chromosomes of a complete set of chromosome is absent or present, that kind of a condition is known as aneuploidy. And such kind of organisms having such kind of chromosomal pattern is known as. So when a germ cell, that means the sperm and ovum with an uneven number of chromosomes undergo the process of reduction, division, the meiosis. The chromosomes will not be divided and distributed equally between the daughter gametic cells. So this results in aneuploidy, and aneuploids are usually sterile in nature. And here is the end of this session, that we will discuss more vital facts about genetics in the next session is certain. Till then, you wait. I request you all to subscribe my channel Mitzvah Edu Media, the world of bioscience, and press the bell icon to get the future notification assured. Thanks for watching the video. Bye.